Hello guys, welcome to Bako Smart Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Facebook account with the blue verification badge. The first thing I'm going to tell you is that make sure you are using the main Facebook app, but not Facebook Lite app. And secondly, make sure that you have your Facebook link, your profile link, make sure you have copied it, because they are going to ask you for your Facebook profile link. So now the first thing you are going to do, you are going to tap on this menu icon over here, then scroll down. When you scroll down, you see help and support. Tap on it, then after that tap on help center. When you tap on help center, it's going to pop you up here. Then at the search bar over here, you are going to search for verification badge. When you search for verification badge, it's going to pop you up with this option. Tap on it, then here tap on the first option that says request a verification badge on Facebook. After that, you are going to scroll down and locate this fill in this form. Then you are going to tap on it. After tapping on it, it's going to pop you up here. So here listing, this is where you are going to fill the form. So now there is two different types of verification. The first one is for your Facebook page, your actual page. Then the second one is your profile page, that is your main page. So you are going to choose which one you are going to verify. Is it the profile page or your Facebook main profile? So now I'm going to click on Facebook profile. Then the second option here, they said profile link. Your Facebook profile link, you are going to paste it here or type it. Then the third option here, they said document type. Is it your NIN or your driver license that you want to provide? You are going to choose it, and you are going to choose the picture by tapping here. Then after doing that, you go to category, which is the next option. Are you belonging to any organization? You are going to choose it, and you are going to provide it over here. You are going to choose it over here. If you belong to any governmental and politics or any organization, you are going to provide it. Then here over here, you are going to put your country. You are going to select your country. Then the next one, which is optional, you are going to put it because they are asking why are my followers following me, what is the reason. I will just give them a reason. Then the next option here is you are going to give your organization name, the name. I've already chosen a name of my organization. Then I'll tell them the organization. Then this link 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 that you are seeing, I'm just going to provide my Instagram profile link and my X profile link, which is my Twitter. Then after that, I'll just cross check if everything is okay. Then I'm going to send it. I'm going to tap on send. Then after tapping on send, they are going to redirect you back to this page over here. Then they are going to go back to your Facebook main page. Then you are going to go back to the notification. If you are eligible, they are going to notify you. If you are not eligible, they are still going to notify you after some minutes. So you have to be patient in doing this because they have to make some reviews. Sometimes it takes too much time, but you have to wait for them. And don't forget, if you found this video very helpful, consider giving me a like and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.